So 2C, and you're going to have to recognize this when you take your test for me and when you do the AP test. We look at this and we say, oh man, there's no u sub because the derivative inside is x squared. There's no x on the outside, so I can't do u sub. And some of the integrals that we'll learn later also don't work here. But before you even go there, you should honestly say, oh, I know that this thing right here is a semicircle that has a radius of 9 and is kind of centered at x equal to 0. So what I really have here is it's a geometric one. So I'm going to use geometric shapes and areas that I know to figure out this integral. So this is plus 4, so really it's a semicircle that is 4 units above the axis. So the center of that semicircle is actually right here. And then so I'm going to go back 3 because the radius is 3 and put a dot. Then I'm going to go forward 3, put a dot, and then I'm going to attempt to draw a semicircle like that. It's not too bad, right? 1, 2, 3, dot. So remember, integrals are area between the curve and the x-axis. Area above is positive, area below is negative. The key here, and some of you might accidentally miss this and say, oh, I just need to find the area underneath, do it all. But I'm only going, oops, I'll do a different color. I'm only going from 0 to 3. So I'm only looking for this, I'll shade it in blue. Look at that, the Broncos colors. That guy right there. So what I'm going to do is break this down into a part of a circle and a part of, or in a rectangle. So I got this guy, pink. Pink, it is a quarter of a circle, 1/4. Pi times radius squared is 3 squared. So that gives me 9 pi over 4. And then the rectangle down below, blank, is 4 high and 3 wide. So that is rectangle is 4 times 3, which is 12. So all I need to do is add these two. So my area is just 9 pi over 4 plus 12. I think that the mistake that some of you may make is to get 9 pi over 2 plus 24. And if this was a multiple choice question on the AP test, I would totally put that as one of the answers because they're that mean.